Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to be reviewing the Gershion temperature color changing nail and gel polygel extension kit here. It looks like that. Ooh, a lot of stuff. Ooh, you can get it. It gets you this little business card here. It's so pretty, and it says, "We are so excited for you to try our Gershion products. We can't wait to see what content you create. Thank you for being a part of the Gershion Nail Salon collection campaign." There we are, and this is their information here. Of course, I put it in the description box down below, but it looks like that. Very pretty. And in this kit, you get 6 polygel colors. So you get pink, white, clear, rose, cover pink, and natural pink. You get a cute little applicator pen. That's to scoop the product off, and that's to apply the product. It's a nice little flat brush here. You get a nail file. You get nail forms, which is awesome. And if you're not good at nail forms, they also give you the tips, which I absolutely love. But the only thing I don't like about the tips is that they curve a little too much for my liking, but that's easy to fix when you file them down. There. So what I'm going to do first is buff and file my natural nail just a little bit to get the shine off, because I had a little bit of gel polish color on there previously. And then I'm gonna come back on and I'm gonna demonstrate one nail extension using the nail form, and then the other one using the actual tip applicator, and see which one I like best. All right, now that my nails are all cleaned and filed and shaped, I'm going to get my slip, which is going to be some alcohol here. Just a regular alcohol, nothing fancy. That's what you're going to use to shape the nail in the nail form, or in the little extension nail that you get. Just get your little shot glass right here. That's the nail tip here. And then I have the nail form, which is really nice and durable and thick, like that. I think I'm going to use the nail form on my thumb and the tip on my index finger. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So first I'm going to put my base coat on, which comes with it. This one here, it's so cute and small. Okay. And I already have my little LED lamp already on, and I just gotta put my hand underneath it. So I'm gonna cure those in my hand lamp for 30 seconds. And I want to emphasize that you do not want to get any of this on your skin, please. Got a nice coat. I love the brush. It's for 30 seconds. Alright, that's done. And you want to keep the little sticky layer on there. Look how shiny my nail is. It's crazy. Nice. Alright, so I'm going to use my nail form first. I can put the back of this under here, so that way it has some extra structure to it. Slide it up underneath your nail. Pinch that. Make sure it's on there tight. Boom. And you have officially created your first nail form. You can go as short or as long as you want. Doesn't matter. And for me, for this time being, I'm going to go short.
No. Well.
Dip your brush in alcohol. That way it's already wet with the product. Just going to shoot out, get the product off the bead. Pull it off like that. that's what the nail looks like. I'm gonna go back and put another ball at the top of here, just so that way it's nice and smooth and like the same height. Make sure it's big enough. And I'm gonna place it right here. I'm gonna wipe off my brush or the little spatula carefully, not getting it on anything. I'm gonna dip my brush back in the alcohol solution here, and I'm just gonna concentrate it here. Hopefully y'all can see. You don't want to flatten it out too much, but you also want to make sure it's not thick as heck. So that's why it's important to get the perfect alcohol ratio. Of course, whatever I can't get with making it neat and even with my brush, I can file it down if it's too thick, which in this case I don't think it is, thank God. So it won't be that much nail filing, and I love my nail file, it's so pretty. There we go. Dang, that's nice. That's a nice looking nail. Okay. Got a nice little curve in there. And of course, like I said, whatever I don't get by doing it like this, I'll clean it up with my e-file. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. Different color. Look at the tip. That's so crazy. And it's hard, so we're good to go. Gonna wipe off the sticky layer with the alcohol. That way it doesn't get stuck with something else. I'm gonna do my index finger off camera and the rest probably later on today. But I just want to show y'all how awesome this is. Look at that. Oh my God. What? What was you saying? What? Oh, I need to put this. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna jump off and do my index finger off camera, and then I'm gonna give y'all my final thoughts, and I will be right back. All right, now I'm gonna switch my drill bit to my little cuticle one. Wipe the dust off here. Again, I'm not a professional, I just love nail art. So yeah, that's just this. And these are my nails. And look at that, they're already changing colors. Put my top coat on, my little the soak off gel polish top coat. And we'll be good to go for today. Do that now. And whenever you are like using gel polish, always store it in a cool, dark place, because as soon as that sunlight hits it, child, it is going to cure in your bottle, and it is going to be a disaster. Another 60 seconds for both of them, and we'll be all set and ready to go. With these two beauties, non-sticky, so we're good to go. All right, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. and I will see you all next time. I have to hurry and put the rest of the nails on. So yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.